Hi, this video is inspired by my conversations with my coaches. How often in your life do you find yourself thinking about all the what ifs? Thinking about it so much that leads to no decision and no action taken at all. Of course, it is important in life when you're making a decision, as important as what am I going to do with my career, that you take the time that is necessary to think about what is the impact of the decision, as well as what are the possible outcomes from this decision. But you know what I'm talking about when you're doing this overthinking and thinking about all the what ifs. What if you're not making the right decision? What if you'll regret this decision? And you know that in your heart of hearts, you already know the answer to your decision. And any more thinking is actually not going to help you to arrive at a new conclusion or new insights. So, when you have found yourself in this situation, I would like you to ask yourself these three questions. Firstly, what is this overthinking telling you? You might find the answer to this to be something like, wow, I've got a fear of uncertainty. I'm so fearful of what is to come that I'm not able to move forward because I just want to think and get a certain result. And then the second question I would like you to ask yourself is, what is this fear doing to you? Typically, my coaches would answer something like this. This fear is actually not helping me to move forward. When I really want to move forward, it is holding me back. So at this point, I would like you to ask yourself the third question. How will you know that you have made the right decision? And I think you all know the answer to this, which is to take action. And by taking action, we get new data, new information about what is working for us and what is not working for us. And from that point, we can adapt our decision and keep moving forward. So, if you need help with your decision making and talking through your fears, then do contact me for a free coaching conversation. Hi, my name is Suki, and I am a certified life and professional coach based in New Zealand, helping ambitious professionals to redefine their grind. And if you have found this video helpful, then do leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and pass it on to others who might benefit from this advice. So I will see you in the next video.